Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you're having a great day wherever you're watching, and actually everybody's been enjoying all the videos that I've been posting of this home renovation project and just how it's progressing along and to get to the stage that we're at right now. In this week's video, we will be installing the crown molding, which will be at the top of the cabinets, and that crown molding will actually close in the gap that's between the top of the cabinets and the ceiling itself. And that will actually finish off the work in the kitchen. So that's all done and ready to go. And from there, we'll be installing the dining room windows. If you remember from any of the previous videos that you've watched, there's a window that's in the background in the dining room. We never changed that window out when we changed out the patio door, just because it got too hot and it stayed in the triple digits pretty much all summer long. And yeah, there was just one break in the weekend where the weather just cooled enough for us to do that, so we proceeded with changing that window out. And then after that, I will be installing the closet door that's in the entry. And just FYI, I totally messed up the door. So I had to call in a family member who is an expert on this stuff. So he was able to save the door and he helped me hang it. So many thanks to you on that. And so yeah, you can see that now installed and how it all looks. And yeah, so let's crack on with the videos and I will be right back. So here I'm just doing some minor touch up to the ceiling before we put in all the crown molding. And here you can see the crown molding is now fully installed. And the electrician came, and as you can see, he's installing the recessed lights. Here we are just removing the window from the dining room, which is all the same process as what we did with the patio door. Just removing the siding, taking the window out, putting up the weather barrier and install the new window, and then drywall. And now the window's installed, everything's drywalled, texture coated. We just have to paint all the windowsill area. And here is the ceiling fan that I mentioned in last week's video. I forgot to include that footage of it, but as you can see, when it's off, the blades are fully retracted, and when you turn it on, the blades come out. And when you shut it off, they retract back into basically on top of the light fixture, so then it just looks like a hanging pendant over the dining room table. And yeah, we just thought that was like really cool. And here we're just repairing my botched closet door install. So replaning the door hinge side so it's now not all messed up. So it does pay to have the proper tools. And there's the door installed, all evenly spaced, and with its coat of paint put on it. We still haven't replaced the front door yet. That's still on the list. So that was this week's video. I hope everybody enjoyed it. In next week's video, which will actually be the final video for this phase 1 of the reno, we're actually going to be bringing in all the furniture back into the room, hanging pictures and mirrors, and plants will be coming in and everything. So we can actually do a final walkthrough so you can see everything put together, and the color palette and everything, and how just everything is flowing and how it actually all finalized and turned out. So yeah, if you do like the videos, please do give me a thumbs up, and please do remember to like and subscribe. It does help a lot, and I will see you all next week. Bye.